This conference will now be recorded.
You all there? So, all right. So yesterday we had discussed about dictionary with store data in terms of key value. Okay, and this is my dictionary. We should not be duplicate. We talk about if we put the duplicate, it will get overwrite. Create empty dictionary using dict. Okay, and we can assign the value in terms of tuple. Okay, so you can print that. We can change the value. We can update the value as well in dictionary. So just now we have done, and this is another way to read the data from the key. Dot get COVID, add or modify. Okay, so we talk about delete and remove, pop-up item. We have a delete operation, clear operation. Wait. Then we talk about dictionary method. If you want to copy paste one dictionary data element into another, so you can do this. Dict from keys. This is what we have. So from keys, okay, I guess this is what we have discussed last, and we'll learn today about dictionary from keys. So we have a key and value, right? So let's say one key can have a multiple value, right? Right, that is common. One key can have a list of value, but can we have reverse? One value belongs to multiple key. One value belongs to multiple key. Is that possible? Let's say yes, it's possible. So dict from keys. You see that? What are the options you have in this tab? And there's all the option coming under dictionary. Copy we have discussed. From keys, this is what we are doing. Copy get we have discussed. So this is all the options we are having right now. Okay. Dict from keys. And this is the set of keys, and this is the value. So you can assign like this, and when you print sub, every key having the common value, right? Every key is having the common value. Let's say you all are the student of data science. All right, you all are the student of data science. So you're having the common value. So you can assign like this. You should not write it one by one. Okay. So let me run cell run all. So dict. It's coming now. All right. What is the items? So print SEQ. That's okay. Let me go one by one. So can you see that the difference between? Can you see the difference? difference between this SQ and this. So S square, if you print square, right, it gives you the output in this, but which is more presentable. So what are the items you have into this? Okay, that looks more presentable. Right, that looks more presentable. So SQ again, see that items. So give it data now, a bracket. If you want to see the key only, if you want to see the values only in your list of dictionary element, if you want to see the key, so you can check that as well. So what are the keys we have? 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all coming. Right. And if you write the values, here you have values. 4, 9, 16, 25. All right. Let's make a one empty dictionary. And you want to know all the features, all the commands, what all the functions are available of all the operation inside our dictionary. So you can write directly dir lid. So it will details of all operations. We have done this, right? So as well, I showing you in this way as well. Go to that and clicking on the tab. So all copy and get, right, it's coming here. But if you want to see on your console, in your cell, all the functions which it holds in a dictionary, so this all you can print. Okay, class content, directory get item we have done, keys we have done, pop we have done, pop item we have done, from keys we have done, clear, copy, many other function you can try as well. So writing a dir, you can get all this information from there itself. Okay, right into the dict operations. So see here, I believe you guys are familiar. Yes, Suryakant, can you read this and give me the output? Can you read this flow? Yes. See here, it will call the key. All right. Usually it will call the key and then it will print it. See here, what are the key? 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So 2, 3, 4, 5. It's calling and printing. We did the same here. We call all the keys. All right. We call the keys here as well, direct sq.keys. But here it look more, you can write in loop. So you can call the key, right, for I sq. So you call this dictionary, and dictionary always call this key, right, and it will hold this value, and you're saying that print I. Okay. So printing, taking one loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, and giving you the output. See here, when this closed, not get the new elements, you can print it. No data available. So this is what indentation. It's not in the loop. Once this come out from the loop, so it will print this. If it is written, if it is not written, it will not write anything. Okay. SQ23 SQ item. Yes, Sri, can you read this flow?
A square value defined console.
Comprehension.
Square.
Yeah, it's a comprehension.
K is to V. Yes.
Key
K
and
V in
value.
a square.
Print the key and value both.
Like
Just
key and
go ahead.
value per key and value in a square. If V value is greater than 9, print D square greater than 9, since it will be printing 16 and 25. Is that correct?
Can you write me in the chat?
Yeah.
What your output? Yes, Shubham, Sonal. All you, can you write me in the
It's display 16 and
Shri, you written the value. Here it will print both key and value, right?
4 and 16 and 5 and 25 will display. Yes.
So value should be greater than 9. The first condition.
Yeah.
Value should be greater than 9, so it will print this. It will print in the both in key value. So for key value in square items, it will check all the items. For which condition? Followed by this condition. So check this condition. No, this condition is not true, so it will not take. Again, it check the next condition. It's also not true. If check this condition, if this condition is true, then it will assign this value in key value here, and then and print what you want, key value. So it will print. Fine, good, Sonal. Hope it's clear. Subham, Surya, can I get a quick response on chat if it's okay? All right. Can you write the flow for this? Yes, can you write the flow for this? Yes, anyone? Okay. K plus C. This is what you want to print, right? This part is what you want to print. So it will print. Value will get multiplied by 2. Okay. 4 kV in list item. And the condition is what? V should be equal to 4. Greater than 4. So it will print this 3, right? This is a 3 condition, right?
Yes.
Because this fulfill that. Now see here. K plus C and V into 2. 9 into 2 is what? 18. And you print this. What happened? Something wrong. Unsupported operand type S. The type S. Integer string. Let me just. Okay. So you can make the changes there itself, but I'm not sure why this K. It should not be K plus C. Okay. This is a typo error. Okay. So key, whatever the condition is true, it will take the key and the value 9 into 2, 18, 16, 32, 25, 50. Understand? So this is what, guys, what you write. This is comprehension, right? We discussed this before as well. This is what you value you want to print, and this is what the logic you have given. All right. Yes, Sonal, Shri, Surya, Subham.
Yeah, sir.
Can you write
Previously
one
getting the
example?
same error, but correct. Yeah.
Okay. Can you write one? Don't write the same. Can you write something else? Can you write it your own on the chat, please? Take your time.
We need to write any example, right?
Sorry.
We need to write any example for this.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Good, Sonal. Okay, so what's on written, I just make one change here. So k plus 5, this is the operation. I was writing c, which is not possible for that. So because it's a numerical format, right? So k plus 5 and v multiplication, that you make any changes accordingly. Okay. Done, guys. Yes, Reza. Okay, thank you. Sonal, Subham, Suryakant, Shivam, are you there? This is all about dictionary. Okay, thanks, sir. Hey, Subham to K column. Suryakant, are you sure? K colon star 3. Will it work?
Yeah, sir. I'm just checking. It's not running. I will do it.
It's
What
the
is
wrong.
the error?
Yes, wrong syntax. That's all.
Okay, yes, I will check it.
How you written this command? Please run on your machine and then print me.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you. So guys, this is all about the dictionary model. Okay. So what's the next topic? String. See that? This is what we have a string. How to create a string? So single quote, double quote, and triple quote, right? Okay. As a single quote, this is how we can print the output. Print id lst, print lst3, lst1 hello double. Okay, and this is what your double quote. And this is what triple quote. So this is how we can create the string. We'll learn about more about string today. How to access a string character. Okay, string character. So ordered lst3. So let me do one thing. Run all. So how to access character in a string? So this is what your LST hello. If your LST1, right? Okay. Hope you understand this. Just a minute. We go one by one so it will get more clear for you. So how to access character in a string? Hello. Now LST3 0 1 2 3 cap L. Now reverse. If you write -1, so -1. All right. If you want to read reverse, so it will -1. Reverse indexing start from 1. If you start from here, then it will start from 0. Remember, if you start from here, -1 -2, it's coming L. LST. Now you can pass a 2 argument, 0 to 3. So it's written there. It read it from till 3 H 0 1 2. So it's a total 3 step says 0 to 10. Hello. So what do you say is 3? What it will do? LST 1.7.
It will throw exception.
Why?
It will throw exception because there is point float value won't be in the string.
String indices must be integers.
Yeah.
Right. It
Yes.
must be what? Integers.
Integers.
Okay. So how to change or delete? So LST, can I make the changes in the element character? Yes, please. Can you do that? Can you change the element case? Do you think so? No. If string is immutable, can we do that?
Yeah, sir. Go add a command.
I'm talking about character. Can we change the character? No. In a string, you cannot change the character value. Remember. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Cannot change the
Okay.
character. So just keep in mind. See this. LST is equal to hello. Cannot delete element from a string, but we can delete string. All right. So yes, we can delete this. Delete LST. Print LST. So if I delete this, let me do that. Delete and remove. Yesterday we talked about and is not available, right? Exception handling we talk about. Sonal, yesterday we talked about one exception handling, remember? Remove or discard. Discard, handle the exception handling, right? Okay, and you see here it is not showing that. Okay, how to change or delete elements done. String operation. What do you have a string operation? LST1 Pravatech, LST2 Python. Right. LST1 Pravatech, LST2 Python. So add a toString that what is the concatenation is all about. So how to add a toString? Print LST1 plus plus, and if you want to space, so that is the reason I have given this double quote and space. If you want to star something, then plus LST2. So plus operator is what about concrete. All right, let me go one by one. Pravatech, Python is coming. If LST1 you want to repeat star, what to do? Operator repeat the string in number of time. So Pravatech. If you want to repeat this, it's always star. If you want to need the if okay, tell me guys what it will do. Length LST1, LST2. What it will give you? Output. Length is integer, so can be replaced.
It will subtract
What it will subtract, guys?
Length
length of the both strings.
8
Output
minus
will be
6.
2.
Okay, so what is the length? Okay, yeah, so exactly. So the length of this and the length of this, the value will come 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the length you can calculate, and minus. If you make it plus, it will give it to you. So this is all the operation will work on string. Okay. Next, iteration through string. What iteration will do? Iteration through string. See here. So count, I have taken 0. Right. Count, I have taken 0. For I in hello world. For I in hello world. So how it will work? Hello world. Okay. So how it will iterate? This is the value it will iterate. See here. Print I am not printing I here. If condition is there, so it will take one by one character. It will start reading from the indexing. It will start reading from the indexing. Okay, so this will H, then it read E, then L, then W. So I put it if whatever the character you're reading, if this condition, if I is equal to O, whatever the value it is iterating, it is coming into I. So I written here, if this condition true, then increment the count. Right. If this comes, then count it. Count plus equal to 1. So this time, okay, this is what I've written the statement. So let me print this. Right. So 2 time later occur. O is coming what? 2 times. So it is what? 2 time. But if you want to print all this, right? You see that whatever the value it is iterating, I have written the print I is equal to, and it's written there itself. Hello world. And it is written 2 times later occur. Can you write this loop, guys? Can you write one more loop from your end? Iterating its string. Okay, giving you 2 minutes fast. Done. Don't do the same. Just write some different condition, guys. Please don't write the same. Write some different condition, please. Thank you. Yep. Please, guys, make it fast, please. Shubham. Can I get a quick response now? So you done? So I guess you have written the same logic if and countless. Okay, something else you have a different loop. Yeah, guys, 1 minute more. Make it fast. Okay. Okay, count 0, 4 and hello world. All right, print count. I'll print it. Thank you. Okay, next. If I don't give this print, it will not give the output. Simple. Okay. Membership test. In, not in. Hope you remember. Whether this element belongs to that string or not. So in this string, L is available or not. L is the member of hello world. Yes, we have a 2 time L. So we use what? In. In means the member, right? Not in means not a member. K is in hello world. No, there's no K element available in the hello world. So it's showing what? Not. True, false. String method. Okay. In operation here, it's as we have. Print hello upper. Print hello lower. All right, let me just okay. So see here, this is interesting. Hello upper. So it's all a small letter. So by default, upper function I called it's all written in capital letter, right? So this function I call. This is all capital letter are written in small letter. So this is what hello come. LST. I have taken one variable. Let's spread the sentence in word. Okay. So split function will split this sentence in a word. Okay, and then print LST. All right, so split is a function. Print type LST. What is the type of LST? It's a, see here. Can you tell me why it is coming list, guys? LST type is list.
Based on the braces.
We don't define the brace here, right? Correct. Let's split this sentence in word. So it hold all the value by default in the list. See that? Class what written list. Hope you clear, guys. Print type LST. It's coming here. So see here, this is interesting. Let's split the sentence in word. Again, I have taken this string big. LST2, what I do, LST2 space dot join LST dot join LST. So with space, right? There's a space, right? I'm joining LST and LST2, right? So join with what? Will add space with every word. So LST2. So what are the character you have? It will give a space to work with. You got it? That's clear, guys. Okay. LST3 is equal to what? M join. M dot join LST. LST3 is equal to what? M dot join. So I'm adding with every character M. Okay. So with every character I'm adding MM. See here. LMT, MT, 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 MT. Sounds looks good, guys. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The value we have. So with every character, if you want to add or something, this is the operator, join operator. Okay, join function to work. I am doing great. Now in this, if you want to find some word on which position it comes in this string, I am doing great, and this particular element in this string come on which position. So find is the function. Okay, it comes in 11 position. All right. Let's talk about replace. LST is equal to, I'm not good. Now in this string you want to replace something, not element. Now see here, that's interesting. Remember we talk about in a string we cannot update element, right? But This is the alternative. Replace LST2, LST dot replace. So not element but word. You replace the not. Replace the not by doing this. Okay, so index wise we cannot change the element but using replace. So we can do this, and I'm not doing good. I replace the not by doing. So I'm doing good. That's fine, guys. Yes, I'm not doing good. So palindrome for a string. Final topic for today's session. Check palindrome for a string. Check palindrome for a string. LST, hello. All right. HELLO. Do you understand palindrome? Even you reverse that, it will be the same value. For example, 1 to 1. If you reverse 1 to 1, it will still look 1 to 1, right? So this is what called this. This is what palindrome. Clear? So when you reverse this value, it will be same. Now see the interesting part. Print ID LST and print. Okay, let me just go one by one. Hmm. So print, let me check the print. So both having the different address, that makes sense, right? Print this, LST dot upper, print this. Okay. Now see here, LST dot upper, LST dot upper. So this will become this. All right, I did this. Now if I print ID st1, because LST1 and LST both having the same, is it guys? Yes.
Yes, it
Trick.
is same.
Right. If I, what it will print? Can you answer me? If I write it LST1, LST dot upper hello. Okay, let me just write it. So this is what we have. Okay, no, it's not in there because hello, it's a small o is there and it's a full capital letter. All right. So LST2, now what I will do, I will take a one more. So just guys, just read the flow. Don't get confused. It's a little tricky. till this part it's clear for everyone? So see here, I've taken one more variable and say reversed LST. I'm checking the palindrome, okay? Just focus onto this part. I'm checking the palindrome. Is it the palindrome or not? After reverse, the value, the word is same or it become different, okay? So reversed LST, and then I will check the condition. LST, list LST, and the list is same. No, LST is what? HELLO. All right, HELLO, and after reverse it's OLLEH. All right, so it's not same, it's different, right? Or even if you take the small letter, it will be all written the small, right? So if both match, this is how we write the condition for palindrome. If both match, then we write string palindrome. If it not, then else print string is not palindrome. Now let me write this. The string is not palindrome. And if I print LST2, can you tell me why it is writing this LST2? Yes, reverse object at. Yes. Any idea why it is not printing this? Why it is writing reverse object? It's giving the address. As soon this look, this is what interesting point is. You're assigning this, so it not hold this record. As soon this data, it just come out from the loop to check that condition. This will become empty. It not hold this. It just create the address for this LST. So it's showing that record not available. So there's a, we will discuss in the next. There's a uh, uh, local variable, global variable. There are many things we'll learn about that. Okay. So this is the reason it's not showing the value here. It's just showing the address for that particular record. Because as soon as the string run this, it come out from this. It release that the value for this, not hold this permanently. All right, guys. So that's all for today's session. Any questions, doubt, guys? Shubham, Sonal, Sri, Suryakant?
No, no.
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Thank you, guys. See you then tomorrow. Thanks, Sonal. Tomorrow practical. Take care. Good night.
Good night.